step into the 2018 Kia Soul. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 130 horsepower, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, air conditioning, audio controls on steering wheel, automatic transmission, Bluetooth, clock, in radio display, cruise control and external temperature display. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.